Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. Today I have my spring FabFitFun box. I used to have 4 subscription boxes: FabFitFun, BoxyCharm, Birchbox, and Ipsy. And about a year ago I let them all go. I canceled everything, and a few months ago I started really missing them. I did not go back to Ipsy or Birchbox because I just am not into sample sizes of that much stuff. And BoxyCharm, I just got tired of getting makeup I didn't want, stuff I wasn't excited to get, stuff I was basically just giving away. So I went back to FabFitFun. This is my second box. I had the winter one. And I do like that it's a mix of beauty and also house stuff, health. So while I did get to pick a lot of what's in here, I know some of it was their choice, and I'm really curious. One, you know when you've got memory issues like menopause? You don't remember what you picked, so some of it's going to certainly be a surprise for me. So let's see what's in here. This is one thing I definitely remembered that I got. This Josie Maran, it is the argan oil, and this is 100% pure argan oil. If you look at some of the other products on the market, OGX or even the Moroccan oil, it is a combination of some silicones plus the argan oil. So I have really liked what those other products have done for my hair, and I am really curious to see what 100% argan oil does on my hair. So I was really excited to make that choice. Ahava, this is their cleanser called Time to Clear Refreshing Cleansing Gel. I have a couple products of theirs that I have gotten in subscription boxes. I have a mask of theirs that I really like. In fact, I like it so much I would consider repurchasing it. And while I don't need a cleaner, I'm about to. So this is something that will be nice to have in the closet and know that I can use. Moving on, Marina Biome Brightening Ampule. I don't think, oh, you know what? Okay, now I don't remember if this is one I got to pick or not. But if it's not, I'm glad this is the one I got. Yes, this is a serum with spirulina? Spirulina and blue tansy. And I will tell you, the only other place I've encountered blue tansy is a muscle rub called Deep Blue from doTERRA that has blue tansy in it. So I'm really curious what this does. It says to apply to your skin after cleansing and toning. And it's supposed to vigorously brighten and balance my complexion. So, I'm always willing to try something new. This is one I know I picked out, the Pericone MD Re-energizing, Rejuvenating Moisturizer. This is something that is really spendy. I want to say it's like in the 90s, like 90 some dollars for this. So I was really happy to get this in this box. And I will move this into my skincare routine when one of my current moisturizers run out. Let's see. These, are reusable beauty puffs. And if I remember correctly, they're like for taking off makeup, not putting on. Let me get one of them out. All right, so they're all hooked together. It is really nice and soft, and you can tell there's a a sponge, a foam sponge in there, gives it some depth and some rigidity, but I mean, it's not rigid. And yes, I can see using this after a cleansing oil to get makeup off. So not necessary, but I'll try it. It's good to have another few things that I can have in my rotations. It means I can do laundry less often, which is always a good thing. This is something I picked. Halston, really, like back in the day, designer haul. I can't imagine that it is, but okay, Halston. These are aloe infused booties. Oh, they are quite hefty. So I think it's not only like the silicone dots on the bottom, but just these are good and thick. And it is that time of year when my feet are dried out, it's winter, and I get a pumice stone, so I'm sure my feet will appreciate a little pampering. Sun's out, pouts out. These are 4 gold foil lip masks. Okay, this is something they gave me. I know I did not get this, but sure. Why not? It says to put it on your lips and leave it on there for 10 to 15 minutes. Take it off, gently massage in any excess product. I'll try it. Why not? It's winter, dry lips. Maybe I'll really like those. And here is something from Gloss Modern Clear Luxury Hair Mask. I really have been on a quest the last several months to get moisture back in my hair, and I am always up for trying another hair mask. And then last but not least are 2 milk products. I think this is just a mini of this one, which is a stick mask. Yes, the watermelon brightening face mask in stick form. I have tons of I literally probably have 24 facial masks in my bathroom right now. I've never tried one that's a stick. So I'll be curious to try that. I really want to smell this. It smells like clay. Like from elementary school, if you had to do an art project, it smells like that kind of clay, which I guess I shouldn't be surprised. It's a face mask. Shouldn't be surprised that it's clay-based. Anyway, that's it. That's my FabFitFun haul. If you don't get FabFitFun and you're interested in it, I don't have a promo code for you, but a bunch of other big YouTubers do. So, Risa does makeup, Stephanie Marie, and maybe BK Beauty. How come I can't come up with her name right now? Anyway, go check out a different YouTuber if you want. I think they can get you $10 off a box. So thanks so much for joining me. Have a really fabulous day.